Hello everybody, it's Yammy, and I'd like to talk to you about digital well-being. Technology plays a huge part in our lives, but it can also distract us from the things that matter the most. It's important to know when to take a break and disconnect from the online world. I found it so easy to get lost on my devices to pass time. I'd find myself using my phone and my PC for extended periods without taking a break. Some mornings, I'd wake up with my phone still in my hand. I started limiting my screen time towards the end of the day, and I made sure to set a bedtime reminder. It turns out that creating a space from your device at night can help you feel more relaxed and get a better night's sleep. I also set designated times and spaces in my home to be device free, as well as setting a weekly amount of time to spend watching videos, which I do a lot of. On YouTube specifically, you can find this on your Time Watch profile. These practices really helped me with prioritizing what's important in my life, enabling me to give my full attention to the people around me. Take care of yourself. Digital well-being is just one way that you can do that, so keep in check with your physical, mental, and emotional health. Try to find the perfect balance between your IRL and digital life, and make sure that you're scheduling in time to grab a drink of water and take a stretch break during sessions.